This Coach wristlet is waterproof, scratch-proof, and very pretty. Come on and take a look. Welcome to my channel. I'm Juanita. This is a short video of a wristlet that I bought last fall at the Coach outlet. Look at how it reflects the light. If you go into the Coach outlet location, you might pay a different price than whatever it is on the website. Sometimes you pay less and sometimes you pay more. For this particular item, the price was $24.50, but I got it for a little bit less because I went to the location. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on the new videos that I have coming up. Here I'm comparing the tulip print with the patent leather wristlet that I have. This is how it looks in natural light. There are so many ways to use this Coach wristlet. I've used mine as a cosmetic case, as a wallet, and as a passport holder. But there's no need for passports right now because of the coronavirus restrictions. Remember to stay positive, wash your hands, and keep the faith, y'all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the section below. I prefer this type of canvas compared to the cloth canvas because if it gets smudged or wet, all you have to do is just wipe it off and it won't get stained. Does this canvas remind you of the Louis Vuitton mini pochette? Someone said that it does, but to me it doesn't. I mean, they're different, but they're both nice. Be sure and check out my TJ Maxx luxury brand video. It doesn't have Louis Vuitton, but it has Fendi, it has Longchamp, and it has Chloe, among others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all the other videos I have coming up. Be safe and thanks for watching.